So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy render cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once the Robinhood app is opened up, at the bottom in the middle, there's the magnifying glass. Simply press it. Then once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, start typing in the word render. So once you're here, it's render. The ticker symbol render is the exact same. Select it. Then once you're on this page at the bottom where it says buy, you can also scroll down and view your position, etc. Go ahead and press the green buy button. Then once you're here, you can type in how much of this cryptocurrency you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $8 worth, you would type in 8 and then press review. Then once you're on this page, you can review the amount of render crypto that you're buying, the fees, the cost, and if this looks good, you want to proceed at the bottom where it says swipe up to submit. Do that and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy render cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.